Very good morning, students. Today we will be continuing the questions of example 2.49. So question is evaluate integral dx divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 8. So in this question, integral 1 by this we have to make it as a complete square by splitting the terms here. So x square, okay, 4x. So 4x we can write it as 2ab, 2 into x into 2. So 2 a value or b value. B value I got it as 2. So b square I have to write a square over 2ab over next b square, which is 4 plus 4. Means I am writing 8 as such a way that 4 plus 4. So that 4 plus 4 is 8. Now this combination will give for us integral dx by root of x plus 2 whole square plus 2 square. So the formula we have to apply the formula integral dx by root of x square plus a square. This can be written as log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus. So let us apply this formula in this. So now in place of let me write on the top. Integral dx by root of x plus 2 whole square plus 2 square is equals to log of x. In place of x, what is there here? X plus 2. X plus 2 plus root of x plus 2 whole square plus a square, which is 2 square plus c. This will be the final answer. Let us see the next example. Example 2.50. Integral x cube dx divided by square root of x power 8 plus 1. So this answer so integral x cube dx root of this can be written as x power 4 whole square plus 1 square. So in the denominator it's looking for us a square plus b square. Now see here it is actually there should be there x square, but we are having x power 4. Now what I will treat means let x power 4 is equals to t. If I am assuming that x power 4 is equals to t, if I am assuming, so what it will become here if I do derivative 4x cube dx is equals to dt. This is the format. Now here 4 is not there, so what I will do, I will multiply and divide by 4. 1 by 4 into 4x cube dx divided by root of x power 4 whole square plus 1 square. Now in place of, so 1 by 4 will be as usual, 1 by 4 integral. In place of 4x cube dx it will be dt divided by root of t square plus 1 square. Now it became a normal form, but in place of x what is there? T, that we have to remember. So let us replace later. Now if it is in this form, what we can write here? 1 by 4 integral, what is this formula? Log of x plus root of x square plus 1 plus t. So this we will replace now. So this is the formula for which one? Integral dx by root of x square plus a square is equals. Now let us apply this formula now. Now if I am applying this formula, 1 by 4 integral dt by root of t square plus 1 square can be written as log of 1 by 4 as such, 1 by 4 log of x means here it is t plus root of t square plus 1 square plus. Now in place of t, what I have to substitute? X power 4. So the final answer will become 1 by 4 log of x power 4 into x power 4 whole square plus 1 square plus c. Let us see another question. Example 2.51. So the question is integral root of x square minus 16 dx. So x square minus a square, it is in the form of answer. We can write it as root of x square minus 4 square dx. So what formula we can use here? Root of x square minus a square dx can be written as a square by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus log of x root of x square minus a square plus c. X by 2, here a square by 2. Here x by 2, here a square by 2. Okay, this is the formula that to be used for this. So integral root of x square minus a square dx is equals to x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So let me substitute here. So integral root of x square minus 4 square dx is equals to x by 2 means x by 2 only. Root of x square minus 4 square means x square minus 16 minus a square by 2. A square is 16 by 2. Log of x plus root of x square minus 16 plus c. So 2 ones, 2 8s. So x by 2 root of x square minus 16 minus 8 log of modulus root of x square minus 16 plus c. Let us see the next question. Example 2.52. Integral x square root of x square plus 5 dx. So, answer integral root of x square plus 5 can be written as root 5 whole square dx. So, a is x, b is root 5, let it be. So if it is in this form, root of x square plus a square dx, so what will be the formula here? X by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log modulus x plus root of x square plus a square plus. Now x by 2 as such, root of x square plus 5 plus a square is normal 5 by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus 5 plus. Let us see another example. Example 2.53. Integral root of 4x square plus 9 dx. So this can be written as answer. Integral 4x square can be written as 2x whole square plus 3 square dx. So x square plus a square. So integral root of x square plus a square dx can be written as x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus, let me replace this, integral root of 2x whole square plus 3 square dx is equals to x by 2, which is 2x by 2, root of 4x square plus 9 plus a square by 2 means 9 by 2 log of x plus, that is 2x plus 4x square plus 9 plus. Next example 2.54. Evaluate integral root of x square minus 4x plus 3 dx. Answer: integral root of x square minus 4x plus 3 dx. How can we split this means here? A square, okay, 2 into a into b. Now b square means 4 plus, okay, 3. Since we have added 4 here, we have to subtract 4 dx. So integral, this can be written as x minus 2 whole square minus 1 square dx. Now it is in the form of root of x square minus a square. Integral root of x square minus a square dx is equals to x by 2 integral x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus. So this is the formula to be used. Let us substitute the same in the formula. So integral root of x minus 2 whole square minus 1 square dx is equals to x by 2. X by 2 means here x minus 2 by 2 root of x square minus a square, that is x square minus 4x plus 3 minus a square by 2 means minus 1 by 2 log of x. X means x minus 2 plus root of x square minus 4x plus 3 plus c. This will be the formula. Now let us see some exercise questions. Exercise 2.7. So 15th question we will see first. Integral root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 dx. So how to solve this? So answer: integral a square. A square means here, can I write root 2x whole square plus 2ab, 2 into root 2x into, so 2 into root, okay, it will become root 2 plus root 2 whole square plus 1 minus root 2 whole square dx. See, try to understand one thing here. 2 I am writing it as root 2, so that if I do root 2 square, it will become normal to x square will be x. So 2 into a value into b value, in such a way that I have to balance with 4x. Here 2 is there, 2 into root 2 into root 2 will be normal to 2 2s are 4, 4x, it is matching. So what is my b term here? Root 2. For that I have to do b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Whatever that extra that I am adding, last time subtracting. Now what we can write this as root 2x plus root 2 whole square minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 dx. So this is the overall. So it is in the form of, what is the form here? Integral root of x square minus a square dx. So x square minus a square dx can be written as x by 2 into x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus b. The same values we will be substituting. So that is equals to x by 2. X by 2 means here x is root 2 of x plus 1 by 2 into root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 minus a square. A square by 2 means 1 by 2 log of x. X is, okay, let me write total down. Log of root 2, I can take it common, x plus 1 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. Let us see another question. Exercise 2.7. Now let us see 14th question. 14 will be in similar form, so let us see 8th question. Integral 1 by root of 9x square minus 7 dx. Answer, integral 1 by, this can be written as 3x whole square minus root 7 whole square. Now it is looking like a square minus x square minus a square. So integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. So the formula what we can use for this 1 by root of x square minus a square, we can write it as log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So this is the formula we can use. Now just replace that values. So what we are going to get here, log of x means 3x plus root of 9x square minus 7 plus c. Simple step.